Hey guys, I have a very special surprise for us. We're gonna be testing the Firex 120 1072Bs. And these are all actually functional. I just tested these. They do work. They're not like the other ones. See, watch. But these don't do the actual doot, doot, doot. Watch. Here, 466. So here you go. And it just.
Pull out one of the batteries.
You all heard them, right? Here. You know what? We'll do the interconnect video that I was supposed to do a couple years ago. Actually, no, it was just last year. So I'm gonna put